Okay, so here's Nemo's Reef. There's Nemo, and basically it's a kid little water park where there's little fountains and guys spitting water. So, pretty awesome. This is just one side of it. I don't know if you can see all the water spitting out, but there's water coming down from this tree. Oh, my battery's dying.
Okay, bye.
Actually, I think Jamie and I are going to do Aqueduct this morning, since it's not a very long line. Oh, there's Mommy. I think he's having fun. There's Jamie. Oh, there's a little slide. Okay, I'm going to go down there so we can get him on tape. Beverage station. Soda is all you can drink. Coffee, water, tea. Hi, Adam. Can you wave to Mommy? Say hi, Mama. Oh my gosh, this is awesome. Jamie, you're standing in front of the... Oh, no, you're not. Whoa! Oh my gosh, do you like that? Do it again. Adam, can you... Is that a sea urchin? Say hi, Mama. Adam. He has no interest in me at this point. Okay, here comes Adam. Whoa! Adam, do you like that? All right, we'll see you later.